I am Sakke Rantala and I work as Chief Operating Officer at Kemijoki, which is the largest hydropower producer in Finland. We produce about 1/3 of the hydropower produced in Finland. Even more importantly, we produce almost half of the regulating power in Finland. So one of our key strategic objectives is to enable the new renewable electricity system with our flexible generation. Apart from being renewable and climate neutral, the superpower of hydropower is its flexibility. So we can produce electricity when it is most needed for the best of the society. So it keeps the price lower than without hydropower. Caverion provides local use and maintenance services of the power plants at 2 different watercourse areas, Kemijoki and Lieksanjoki. So Caverion provides round the clock and all the maintenance services and investment services for these power plants. Kemijoki has a long history and we've gone through several transformations. Today we operate in this sort of partner model, which means that we have outsourced key activities to our partners. We chose to work with Caverion because Caverion showed commitment, including its management, showed commitment to safe and responsible operations. We emphasized the hydropower expertise and its continuity. Also, we want to see the potential of this kind of industrial level partnership that Caverion could bring in. We have been developing digital solutions in hydropower with Caverion, and practically we created a platform for the data, and Caverion has developed the platform for the utilization of the data. The digital solutions complement the technical services. We can predict, for example, failures, and we can plan different maintenance activities better. We were looking for a strategic partner, not only an efficient subcontractor. And I think we are moving towards that goal with Caverion.